Just want to give you an update on the availability of TSS load chart practice problems at loadchartacademy.com. The TSS practice problems are still available, as they've been for quite a while now, but I've added video tutorials. When you purchase the practice problems, you also will have access to 12 video tutorials, and I have those listed here. There's a video about the load charts, reading the load charts, overview of the load charts. Then there are 11 problems representing the different variations you're likely to see on your CCO specialty exam. These videos are commercial free, not like YouTube where you have to sit through commercials. Watch the videos uninterrupted. And again, the practice problems are still available. 15 practice problems. That's all I have for the TSS. 15 practice problems. It's not quite as difficult of a test. I think 15 practice problems, over the years it's proven to be more than adequate to help operators pass the TSS specialty exam. But we have the problems, and then we have detailed solutions for each of the problems, with notes and tips, things to watch out for on your specialty exam. All right, let me know if you have any questions.